Hey, Rambo, what was you fishing for?
I was fishing for bass.
For bass?
Yeah.
Well, what'd you catch?
A dang turtle.
Oh, man. Ain't that pretty? Ain't that pretty? An old leatherback there.
Look at her.
Yeah, a little old leatherback.
Ain't that something?
Old stretch neck.
I was fishing for bass.
Yeah, let's see if we can get him off your hook there. You got any of them pliers?
Yeah, I got some yonder.
Yeah, he's a little old leatherback there, what he is. See his snout? Yeah. Hey, boys and girls.
Let's see if we can get him. Come out. See?
Hold on a minute. Yeah. Don't you eat me. You got to have them pliers, bro.
Alright.
Yeah, you got to have pliers.
Turtle.
That's right. Turtle soup, no doubt. All right. That's some of the fun you have out here, having fun at all. Oh, sun's going down. It's starting to get pretty out here now. The old invisible redneck, he even decided to come out here on this trip. Alright, we're having too much fun. We'll catch you back. Old Mr. Red Eye and Rambo out here. We'll see you.